Hi, I'm Sean Weston. I'm here at Anuga Food Tech 2012 and I'm with Dieter Doinghaus. I hope I pronounced that correct.
That's right.
For Doinghaus Cutting and More. Tell me a little bit about the history of your company.
Yeah, we are a company founded in 1932. My grandfather was a locksmith, and with a history in building later conveyors and so on. And 12 years ago we started with ultrasonic technology, and now we are in the market mainly with 90-80% of our output is done with ultrasonic machineries.
Okay. What happened 12 years ago for you to change to ultrasonic?
12 years ago, we had more and more problems in the industry to get a system which cuts very with high quality and without sticking at the blade. New products came to the market, and so then looked for new technologies. And so we also, as a machinery builder, looked for new technologies, and we tested several of them, and we found that the ultrasonic technology is the best for us for high quality cut without sticking at the blade.
Yeah. You have a new product. Can you tell me a little bit about this new product?
Yeah, in the past we cut it with so-called sonotrodes, but in the last years, again, new products came to the market, and we began to develop new things. Mainly, sonotrodes are made out of titanium and relatively thick, up to 7 millimeters when you cut, and so you need place to cut. But we now developed sonotrodes that are very thin, 1.2 millimeters, and they have the big advantage, they do not press the products to the side, and we can slit things like buns, bread, and other things which couldn't be done before with normal sonotrodes.
Okay. Is it quite fast?
We are often I'm asked about the fastest. We are not fast, but the payback for our customer is a high quality cut, and that he can cut new things for the market.
So it's more about accuracy rather than speed.
Yeah, that's it, accuracy and speed.
So this machine, what's the new machine called?
Yeah, we call it Helios. It's an ultrasonic horizontal cutter, especially for cutting buns in industry with ultrasonic blades, and mainly the advantage is that you can cut warm buns directly after the oven. In the moment you cannot do it, or if you do it, you always have to change the equipment, the saws or the normal discs, because they get things will stick at the blade.
Obviously the dough is very sticky,
yeah,
but this technology can cut through that without anything sticking.
Yeah, this vibration prevents from sticking, so you can cut things which normal things you cannot cut. Problems in the process. Also, we use these things not only for cutting. One main thing is we can cut and position things for later processes like decoration with robots and so on.
Okay. So, is it unusual to have a horizontal cutter? Are they usually that sort of vertical? This is the first horizontal one for your company?
No, we know horizontal cutters, but they work with normal stainless steel blades, running very fast, mainly 1,500 rounds per minute. And if you have buns going through the disc, they have a lot of crumbs when cutting, and our system cuts without crumbs and only turning 50 times a minute. But we work with the sharpness of the disc in combination with the vibration of the ultrasonic. So it creates this big advantage.
Your business partner said to me that you like a good challenge. So when a client or customer comes to you and says, we need a solution, you like to think creatively. You're quite a creative company, is that right?
Yeah, in industry, very often it happens that customers come to us, they have an idea for a new product, and then we develop a parallel product and machinery for optimized solution. Yeah.
Where are you finding the most interest in the new product and your cutting technology in general, geographically? What are the most interested countries in the world?
Yeah, still German market, very interesting. Also Switzerland, high quality products, and Austria. Coming markets are Japan with new products, Korea. Other markets like China are more very sensitive, price-sensitive market, more not for high-quality cutting. We are on the markets where the labor costs are relatively high. Otherwise, we have not the payback for these things. Most new products that are created in the middle of Europe here in the bakery and confectionery sector.
Have you had much interest from the US?
No, the US market is no market for us, no.
But in the UK, I understand United Biscuits is a client.
Yeah, we have many customers in UK because here in Germany we have we have many small bakeries, and the market the producers in England are a little separate, not separate, not the same.
Yes.
Not the same. They have huge factories with mass production, and there we can use these systems to cut in line without stopping, and with high quality cutting with positioning. So it's the customer it's possible for him to cut the whole day without stopping the line.
Okay. Well, it's quite a competitive business, isn't it? The ultrasonic cutting. What marks you out above your competitors? How are you going to survive?
Yeah. We also make the experience. It's now for 10-15 years we have this well-known sonotrodes. You can optimize them, but more and more people come with their machinery. But we develop new things because we contact with our customers. We always discuss and say we want to cut that. That is our problem, and we try to solve it. And now we have to create new technologies together with our customers to solve their problems. And very often, for example, this round disc for horizontal bun cutting, you can use very good for cheese. It's also a product which can be cut with this round discs now, better than with this old sonotrodes.
Okay, so expanding into new sectors as well as territories is very important for the company.
New sectors and with new technologies, because maybe one reason is if you use old sonotrodes, the maximum height of a product, for example, cheese cutting is 140 millimeters. With our new long blades, longitudinal swingers, you can, no limit, you can cut 300, 400 millimeter high, because there is nothing on top.
Finally, how are you finding Anuga? Good show for you this year?
It's a very good show because here are many people also from other producers, not only bakery or confectionery. I just had a lecture in the forum telling with a PowerPoint, and there were many people from different kind of producers, dairy, cheese, and so on, and they look for new technologies. We are also on the IBA. It's a very big bakery show in Munich, but there are only bakers, confectionery people.
Very niche.
Yeah, and this is one very wide range of customers for us.
Always
find new also contacts for us.
Well, thank you very much for joining me today, Dieter Doinghaus. Thanks for downloading this FoodBev.com podcast. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Vimeo, Google+, and LinkedIn.